परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाई आयोजित 6 दिवसांचं प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग.
पात्रता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि कम्प्युटरचे शिक्षण आवश्यक. बीई, डिप्लोमा, बीएससी, एमएससी झालेल्यांसाठी उपयुक्त.
या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये भरपूर प्रॅक्टिकलसह मुलाखतीची तयारी करून घेतली जाते, ज्यामुळे जॉब मिळणं सोपं जातं.
ट्रेनिंगसाठी संपर्क डॉक्टर ढेकळे, परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, MIDC वाई. मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Your name, please.
My name is Deepali Subhash Bhosle.
Okay. You may tell yourself in short.
Myself Deepali Subhash Bhosle. I am from Y. I have completed BSc Mathematics from Mumbai University with first class. Also, I have completed BA from Pune University with first class.
Okay.
I have completed computer course like MSCIT. Also, I have completed typing courses, Marathi and English typing with speed 30 and 40. I have 5-year experience as a lab assistant for botany and maths department in Kisanvir Mahavidyalaya Y. I have also taken coaching classes for 9th and 10th standard students for 5 years.
Okay.
Now currently I am studying in MSc Mathematics for 2nd year in YC Institute of Science, Satara.
Okay. Your hobbies?
I like reading, listening songs, teaching, etc.
I will ask some technical questions to you. What are the basic and derived gates?
Basic gates are AND, OR and NOT. And derived gates are NAND, NOR.
How you can define gate?
It is an electronic device which have one or more input and single output.
Can you tell the long form of LSB and MSB?
LSB means least significant bit and MSB means most significant bit.
What is long form of LSB?
Least significant bit and MSB most significant bit.
Okay. What is decimal equivalent of binary 1110?
14.
Okay. What is binary equivalent of decimal 15?
1111.
What is op-amp?
Op-amp is a high gain amplifier which perform mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, derivation and integrations.
Okay. What are the op-amp parameters?
Input impedance, output impedance, output offset voltage, input offset voltage and frequency bandwidth.
Okay. Can you define output offset voltage?
If two inputs of op-amp are grounded, output voltage is produced. That voltage is called as output offset voltage.
What is oscillator?
It converts DC into AC.
Okay. What are the types of oscillator?
Sinusoidal and non-sinusoidal.
Okay. What are the example of sinusoidal oscillator?
Crystal oscillator, Colpitts oscillator and phase shift oscillator.
Okay. What are the example of non-sinusoidal oscillators?
Sawtooth oscillator, monostable multivibrator and astable multivibrator.
Okay.
परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे संपूर्ण ऑटोमॅटिक ऑटो लेक्चर बेल आणि ऑटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअर सिस्टीम शाळा कॉलेजसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त. उत्पादक परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, MIDC वाई. फ्री डेमोसाठी संपर्क 98 222 41 255.